showing you how to send an email from the back office. So you actually go to Track and then click on Leader Dashboard. Then under the Report Center, you are going to the My PCs report right there. Bam. Once you're on your My PCs report, you actually scroll to the bottom and choose 100. It should default to 25. So you're going to pick 100 so that you've got your whole list there. Then you are going to choose all. See, it's going to give my whole list 194. So whatever yours is, then you're going to click Send a Message. You're going to create a new message. You're going to put something in the subject line. You're going to go ahead and copy and paste what I sent you guys, if you want to use that. Otherwise, you type your own. You're going to want to change by highlighting the each line with whether you want it to be medium or large, right? Or large or back to small. I personally like the medium. So I like medium. Don't forget to put something, you know, in the message box. Test. And then it's going to populate with all of your people. If you scroll, it will show you, you know, it'll show you everybody. If you wanted to, you could scroll. But I always send myself a copy. Then I go over to the bottom and I click Send. Then all of a sudden you'll get a message that says Message Sent. And check your inbox and you'll get to see what they saw.